Hi guys, excuse me. Well, I'm hoping you can see these. Not sure if you can see them. Let's have a look. I'll try and blow it up. Right. So, if you can see it or not. So it looks like a pheasant. So, let me take it down a little. Hi guys, I hope everyone's fine. So, looks like there's a pheasant there. That's its wings, and that's its legs. So, I hope you're getting this. So that's its legs. Let's have a look. That's its legs. So, I'm at Wentworth. Well, I were up here around about, what, a month ago. So it's quite a while since I were up here, guys. So I know what's happened, or I think I know what's happened. Because there's another pheasant up here. I mean, they were all shooting up here about a month ago, 5 weeks ago, in these woods. And in the woods at the back. And in the woods at the back of these houses. So, I think what they've done, they've been shooting in these woods, and 2 pheasants have probably flown over, bang bang, and they've dropped in field, and dogs ain't come over and got them. So they probably missed them, so they've blasted them, but they've missed them. So I thought I'd make a little short video, because there's another pheasant here. I'll show you this one here. So there's another one here. Let's have a look. I mean, it's quite dull, I hope you can see that. So I would say, looking at that, looks like a cock pheasant, and it's probably one what they've missed. See if I can get it here, because it's that dull today, guys. So that's it there, another cock pheasant. So I'm tipping they've blasted 2 pheasants. They've probably blasted quite a few and they've lost them. And they've flown over from woods and they've gone bump. They've dropped here. Something's eaten one of them. So I don't know what's ate it. And that one there, I don't know how long that's been there, but like I said, I think that's what's happened. I think they've been blasted. Show you where we are. So that's just going to be a little short video. I'm heading off up into Wentworth. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thumbs up, like the videos. I thought I'd show you that. I mean, what have I seen today? I've seen quite a few dead birds walking up here, to be honest. But I thought I'd get these 2 pheasants. There's not a lot up Wentworth today by the looks on it. It's getting a little bit windy. So that's the view. I'll show you the view. So that's the view up here, guys. So that's the view. I'll take you short round Wentworth. So that's the view. Nice steady walk round and a nice view. For Paisley. Right, so we're off up into Wentworth, and I'm going to make some videos when I get up into Wentworth. So I hope you're taking care. Thumbs up, like the videos, please. More likes, please, guys. Take care, God bless. Happy week ahead.